Good morning children. Today I am going to start the semester 2. Okay? You should open the semester 2 studio book. Before that, I will give you the more information regarding the lesson. You know, in our body have so many organs. Among all the organs, lungs plays a different role. You know, very main role. You know, without lungs we cannot breathe. Without breathing, we cannot survive. We breathe the oxygen and we will release this, right? We will exhale the carbon dioxide. So lungs plays a different role. We will inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. So both the functions will do the lungs. Will do by the lungs, right? So we have a lungs as well as earth also have the lungs. Today our lesson is earth lungs. Do you know children, what are the lungs of the earth? Forest. In this session, I will explain forest and their uses. Forest and their uses. So children, without forest, we cannot survive because of forest gives us oxygen. We have breathed oxygen. We releases the carbon dioxide. So we are getting the oxygen from the trees, plants. Trees, plants can widely there in forest. So forests are also known as called as lungs of the earth. Okay. This is our new lesson. So children, open page number 1 in studio. We have a paper activity children. Let me explain this. The picture shows a part of a forest work in pairs and circle 3 things that are used by us in some way. List one use for each. An example is given. See children, first one, wood from trees is used to make furniture. Yeah. We are getting the wood from the trees. We are making furniture. Use the wood. Next one here, honeycomb is there and mushrooms is there and medicinal plants. You know medicinal plant means tulsi, right? So we have to write the uses of these plants. You can write in this given space, children. I will write on the board. First one, honeycomb. You know, we get the honey from honeycomb. Instead of sugar, use the honey. It's better for our health also, right? Sugar means if you consume this sugar, you will get more calories. So instead of sugar, replace the honey. It will good for health as well as less calories, right? We are getting the honey from the forest. It's very good for health. You know, most of the people uses the honey instead of sugar. You know, preparing sweets, salads, juice, right? All remaining the dishes, sweet items, right? Instead of sugar, better to use the honey. You know, early morning, who want to weight the loss, they will use the honey as well as lemon water in the hot water, right? We have so many benefits. Use the honey. So children, honey also we are getting from the forest. Write this. Honey collected from honeycomb is used as a sweetener. And second one, mushrooms are used for consumption. You know children, we are using mushrooms to make a curry. So it's very delicious food. So most of the people, most of the children also like this curry, right? Even I too like this curry. It's very good for health as well as very tasty. Third one, flowers and leaves of certain plants. Flowers and leaves of certain plants are used as ingredients in medicine. Okay children, yes, you know Ayurvedam. In Ayurvedam, the people who are following the Ayurvedam, they take as flowers, leaves as a medicine, right? You know so many medicinal plants available in the forests. Instead of this medicines, yes, what we are using. So instead of this, you know the people, some people follow this homeopathy, right? Ayurveda. We have a different kind of medicine plants in forests. So these are the main uses of the forest and more uses, not only this, these are the few uses. So in the next session, in the next topic, I will explain the remaining uses of this forest also. So children, please turn the page. Here, forest is a land, it covers with plants and trees. Okay, forest is a wide land, right? Vast land. It covers with trees as well as plants. It has different animals and different birds, right? In forest is a home to a different animals and different birds. We can see the different kind of birds in forest. We can see the different kind of animals in a forest instead of a zoo. In zoo we can see the only few models, right? A few animals only. But here different kinds, so many, more and more. Okay children, so here uses has given first one and second use. What is the first use? Oxygen. You know forests are very important to the humans. Without forest we cannot survive, right? Because oxygen. So oxygen, what is oxygen? Oxygen. So this is the air. So can we live? Just stop your breathing. Just what happened? That second minute or next minute, we will feel uneasy, right? So these forests, the trees will give us oxygen. We are breathing the oxygen, right? So in giving the oxygen, forest plays an important role. This is the first use. And second one, the plants in forest serve as a food for plant-eating animals. You know, some animals will be there, plant-eating animals. Animals will eat the plant. Right? We also like fruits, vegetables, getting from the plants. We have so many uses. Here, these are the plants, children. Just observe this. Roots. What are these? Roots. You know, roots can hold the soil. Okay. Whenever they hold the soil, it will not washed away by the water. Right? Whenever they hold the soil, you know, for suppose these are the roots, children. So these roots holds the soil, okay, very tightly. So this soil will not washed away by the water. These are the main rules. So yes, in before lesson we have discussed that soil erosion. The reduction of the top layer of the soil is known as the soil erosion. So we have two activities, right? Because of rain floods, heavy, okay, floods and second one human activities. Whenever cutting down to the trees, what happens? The The root will not hold the soil. Whenever the rain comes, the top layer of the soil will wash away, right? It will happen. So in forest, trees will have the roots. The roots will absorb the root will hold the soil in tight manner, right? That is the another example. Another use. And forests are rich in medicinal and fruits, vegetables, right? If you want to in forest have a different and it's very tastier than grows. If any plant or if any vegetable, if any fruit are very tastier than a grow. Okay, we have so many grows in our villages, but the difference between taste in the taste in forest, if the fruit we can obtain from the forest is very tastier than a fruit obtained from the grow, right? We have so many uses, children, and depend on forest, so many people will survive. Without this forest they cannot survive, they cannot earn the money. So many occupations will link with forest, right? What are they? First one, forest ranger. Forest ranger is a official. He will protect and as well as managing the forest, right? These people are the forest rangers. And second one, woodcutter. Do you know woodcutter? What will you do? They will make the furniture. They are getting the wood from forest and they will cut the wood as well as they will make a furniture. And third one, honey collector. Yes. Who will collect the honey? Special man. Because of honeybees will bite us, right? We have the poisonous. It will be poisonous to us. That is why honey collectors only can collect the honey from the forest. Otherwise, the honeybees will bite us. Poisonous. It is very poisonous. Sometimes we may die. So, honey collector, what he will do? He will collect the honey from forest and woodcutter. So, these are the persons depend on forest. Forest gives us so many occupations. Without forest, we cannot survive, children. In the next session, I will explain the mind map, right? Mind map as well as think and think activity. Okay? Until then, bye.
You want?